While the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution recognizes 22 languages for development, it does not explicitly restrict the script that can be used for a language to be included. However, the use of Roman script for indigenous languages is contentious, with officials often arguing against it, preferring indigenous or native scripts over the foreign Roman script. Key points regarding script and 8th schedule. 1. Script flexibility. Languages in the 8th schedule can be written in multiple scripts. For instance, some are written in Bengali or Devanagari. 2. Controversy over Roman script. For languages like Kokborok, there has been strong official opposition to using the Roman script for 8th schedule recognition, with leaders advocating for the adoption of a native script instead. 3. No fixed criteria. The criteria for including languages in the 8th schedule are not fixed, and there is no explicit bar or approval of the Roman script in the constitutional provisions. And 4. State authority. States are free to adopt regional languages for administrative purposes and can choose the script, but inclusion in the 8th schedule is a central government decision. While not impossible, using the Roman script faces political and cultural resistance in the context of 8th schedule recognition in India.